Workshop Wednesday on a Wednesday, even though I did one on Tuesday. Cruising down the road, headed to Fort Worth. Sun's coming up, about to hit me in the face, and couldn't be happier about it. I'm gonna have some fun times today. Did get Patreon kicking yesterday. It's kind of soft opening, not a hard opening. It's open, but if you go sign up, be patient with me. I'm working on it. I'm just now figuring out Vimeo, and you gotta hide the videos on Vimeo and make it available. I copy the link, I put it on Patreon, and then on Patreon, if you sign up for one of the tiers, and I put the video on the tier, whatever tier it belongs to, or all of them it belongs to, then, and if you belong to that tier, then you can click on the video. Yeah, it sounds confusing. It is for me, but it's not going to be for y'all, hopefully. And it's becoming easier for me. I was having trouble yesterday getting the videos. I was posting on Patreon, and everything was good there, which is no different than here on Instagram, Facebook. It's kind of the same stuff. It's pretty easy, but I was having a hard time getting the videos to pop up. It'd say you can't watch it, and I hear Kerry Schwartz is helping me, and he's sharing that sometimes it'll work on the computer but not the phone. That if you're on Patreon, you can go to the computer and it'll pop up. Sign into Patreon and it'll pop up, or sometimes it'll work on the phone, sometimes it won't. Of course, there's a cute little phone app for Patreon that you can sign up and follow your people. It's very simple. I already got people signing up. Casey Barrett was number 1. Thanks, pal. That's pretty cool for signing up. It didn't take him 10 seconds and he's on there. So that's awesome. I appreciate the followers. I appreciate the support. We're going to do everything we can to make it work and be valuable to you guys and be fun. So anyhow, and I'm going to take all the things all the videos that you've seen on YouTube and post them over to Patreon. So there'll be a lot of content there. You're not at everything that I've got, it's going to be there. It's going to take me a while to get it all copied and posted and put over there. I'm going to make it to where everybody can see the YouTube videos. And I was just here thinking, I've made it to where only my tiers can. There's also a deal on Patreon to where you don't have to pay for it if I choose to publish a video or publish anything, just like we are here on Instagram and Facebook. If you follow me, you can watch it. So I probably need to change some of those settings now that I think about it, because it's free on YouTube. So I need to make it that way on Patreon too, with the YouTube videos, the Workshop Wednesdays that have gone to this point. But anyhow, that'll all be available. One-stop shopping. You can go in there and see everything I got. Of course, the more you pay for it, the more you're going to get. And hopefully I make it worth every daggum penny you spend with me. And I really do appreciate the support. I appreciate everybody encouraging me so far to do this, and we'll do our best. And like I said, it's going to be a learning curve, and videos will get better, hopefully. Hopefully it becomes easier for me to spend time doing a good job for you guys. Anyhow, I hope y'all enjoy the rest of y'all's week. Going to be sporadic about posting. Going to join my buddies. Some of my TCA buddies going to be in Fort Worth this morning. Some of them got there yesterday. Some of them getting there today. We're gonna go to the National Cutting Horse Foundation fundraiser and share our story and meet some new people and tell them what we do. And here's our Workshop Wednesday tip of the day. It's kind of my new approach with of what I can do for you. We as artists often get all worked up about how good we are and how I can make a better pair of spurs better than anybody else. And I don't care who you are. This is a very selfish thing that I shouldn't say it's selfish, but we get consumed in our own little world about what it is we're doing, and it's our own journey.
In 10 miles, keep right onto US 67 North.
Did I hear that? That lady's yawking at me about the dadgum map. Oh, well, I know where to go. So anyhow, back to what I'm talking about is we don't share in our verbiage talking to people about what we can do for them. We just know what they can do for us, right? They can give us the opportunity to build really fun, nice things. But in a polite way, we have to figure out how to tell people, hey, I can make you feel better about yourself. I can make you different in a good way with the items I create. So y'all see me driving down the road here. I got an entry level, one step up from roll-up windows pickup. It's fine for me. I don't ever drive anywhere, so today, right? I mean, my commute is between my house and my shop, so I'm not really somebody that needs something really fancy. Oh, I wish I could, but it's not a necessary expense for me right now. So you can go to the feed store and you can get you a pair of spurs that, as long as they'll stay on your boot, probably going to cue your horse in a manner that's not much different than mine. Hopefully mine fits your boot a little better, and you have the ability to make them exactly the way you want, which has value, but that's all utilitarian. That's all function. This pickup, from the function standpoint, is absolutely no different than a Denali driving down the road. It just doesn't have all the buttons. Well, my spurs, with all the silver and the inlay and the gold and the customization of brands and initials and welcome to Jamaica and have a nice day wrote all over them, that makes you feel special. And that's what I can do for you. This is for you. This is about you. Share that story with your customers as you're going about your day and telling people what you do. When I say customers, customers already know. We need to talk about the person in the elevator. What do you do for a living, kid? Well, I make people feel special about themselves by telling the story of the American West on their boot or in their horse's mouth. I can make you different when you walk in the show ring. I can make you be seen, not stared at, right? Not necessarily, because a lot of people, oh, that's too fancy. I can't do that. That's too much. Well, a lot of people that tell me that drove up in a Rolls Royce. Oh, that's a little too fancy. You don't have that when you drive up in a Rolls Royce. So just have to educate and share with people that being different in a good way is a good thing, and that's kind of what we're going to go try and do this day, and tomorrow we're going to do some more of it, and we'll see what happens. Happy Wednesday, everybody. We'll see y'all next week. Adios.